Say echo. On the lookout.
Zion echoes. Me hear the trumpet sound from afar. Jah call me, know who me are. The road might rough, the path might steep, but me know the promise, the faith me keep. The rivers flow, the mountains tall. Me hear the whisper, me hear the call. We trod this journey, me nah look back. Me follow the light, me walk the track. Me see the people lost in a the maze. Them chase illusion, them lost in a haze. The world full of vanity, world full of pride, but me know say Jah me guide. We step on the righteous way. Me kneel and pray, me nah go stray. Zion calling, me can't ignore. Me soul arise, me heart so sure. The promised land, the golden light. We chant Jah name, we win this fight. The city full of wickedness, the streets them cold. Them sell them soul, for diamond and gold. But me nah stray, me nah lose way. Me keep the faith, me kneel and pray. The system fall, the walls come down. Jah wear the righteous crown. Me see the prophecy, me see the sign. The time soon come, the stars align. We trod this journey, we walk this road. We feel the weight, but we bear the load. Me hear the elders chant and sing the words of truth, the blessing bring. Zion calling, me can't ignore. Me soul arise, me heart so sure. The promised land, the golden light. We chant Jah name, we win this fight. The message clear, the vision bright. We chant for love, we chant for light. The sufferation soon fade away. Me see the morning, me see the day. Me hear the voices, me hear the song. We trod the road, but it not too long. From east to west, from north to south, the people rise, the voices shout. Them can't stop we, them can't divide. We move as one, we step inside. Zion gates, them open wide. Me feel the presence, me feel the guide. Me say one day we reach the place, the land of love, the land of grace. No more pain, no more cry. Zion calling, me spirit fly. Zion oh cold. Zion echoes. Give Rasta the Ganja split. Yeah, man. Me see the hatred, me see the war, but me know say love can heal the scar. No matter your race, no matter your creed, we all are one, same blood we bleed. From Africa to Caribbean shore, Europe, Asia, me say open the door. Me brethren, me sistren, we must stand tall. Unity the key, me say love for all. Them tell we say me different, but me know that a lie. The same red blood when the tears them cry. The same heartbeat, the same blue sky. So why them a fight? Me say why? No borders, no chains, no separation. One people, one earth, one vibration. Time for the love, time for the healing. The truth stands strong, we not do no stealing. One love, one blood, one family. No matter where you're from, unity are the key. We are tear down the wall, we are set we free. Jah light shine bright, love infinity. Me see too much ghetto youth lost in a pain. Them a look for hope but get tricked again. Politician talk but them not explain how the poor man still walk through rain. No food, no shelter, no peace, just war. But me say love can heal the scar. Me say equal rights, me say justice for all. We are rise up now, we are break the wall. From Kingston town to the whole wide world, we are spread the message, make the truth unfurl. No matter where you dey, just hold the faith. Jah guide your path, never come too late. We nah go bow, we nah go stray. We are walk with love me stay. One love, one blood, one family. No matter where you're from, unity are the key. We are tear down the wall, we are set we free. Jah light shine bright, love infinity. So me say make love be the answer today. No more hate, make it fade away. We all are one, no matter the way. Jah bless the people, me kneel and pray. Stronger than steel, Jah light shine bright. That are the real deal. Babylon set trap, but we nah go fall. We burn them lies, burn them system, burn them all. Them want lock we down in a that chain and shackle, but we spirit too free. We nah go buckle. Them push propaganda, spread fear and lies, but me see through them. Me got Jah in a me eyes. From the slum to the mountain, the river to the sea. Ghetto youth arise, Jah set we free. Enough struggle, enough fight, but me hold me ground. Me know said the righteous can't be drowned. Jah fire burn, it a purify. Truth can't hide, can't justify. Rise up me people, time for unite. Babylon fall, we step in a the light. Fire in a Babylon, burn them corruption. Ghetto youth rise, no more destruction. We chant for the sufferer, the last and the weak. Me say justice are the only thing we seek. Me see leaders sell out for a bag of gold. Them promise we future but left we cool. Them sign contract but never keep vow. Them only want rule but we burn them now. Me say poor man cry but them never hear. No food, no job, only blood and fear. But Jah say, no worry your mind. Truth soon reveal, them can't stop the time. System crumble, empire fall. The last shall be first, Jah call them all. Revolution sound, it a shake the ground. Babylon can't stop the righteous sound. Fire in a Babylon, burn them corruption. Ghetto youth rise, no more destruction. We chant for the sufferer, the last and the weak. Me say justice are the only thing we seek. Me look pa me people, me see pure strength. Through the trials, through the pain, we nah relent. We build from the ashes, we stand up tall. Jah guide we, me can't fall. Me nah beg, me nah bow, me nah sell out. We are the lion, we roar loud and shout. No illusion, no trick, me see them plan. But righteous soldier nah fear no man. Me say wake up, open your eye. The system nah love you, them tell pure lie. Me say stand firm, hold tight Jah hand. We burn out wickedness, take back the land. Fire in a Babylon, burn them corruption. Get
ghetto youth rise. No more destruction, we chant for the sufferer, the last and the weak. Me say justice are the only thing we seek. Jah fire ablaze, no man can cool.
Zion echoes, oh Jah, me call upon your name. Inna the dark, your light still remain. We walk through the valley, me not feel no pain. Me know you're there near, your blessings are rain. Me see the struggle pon my brethren face. Them a fight for survive in a Babylon place. System a wicked, them not show no grace. But me hold me faith, me not lose me pace. Jah guide me, keep me firm, show me the lesson, make me learn. Me nah go stray, me nah go turn. From the fire, me soul still burn. Me remember the days when me never have none. Bare hungry nights, me can't see the sun. Them lock off the water, them take away the light. Yet me still give thanks for the breath in me lungs. Them tell me fi bow, them tell me fi run. But me know say Jah work never left undone. The wicked a plot, but them plan can't last. Me hold me meditation, me future can't crash. Jah guide me way, me now walk alone. Even in the storm, me heart still strong. Through the trials and the pain, Jah make me stand. Me put me trust in the most high hand. Jah guide me way, me rise each day. Me chant psalms, me kneel and pray. Though Babylon fight, them can't take me soul. Jah carry me through, me reach me goal. Me say money can't buy salvation. Me nah sell out for the plantation. Me prefer walk with Jah whole meditation. Chant psalms and hold the vibration. Them want see we fall, but we rise up tall. With love in our heart, we a break them wall. We now go stop, we a chant it all. Righteousness are the final call. Me see me brethren them straight on the road. Some a sell them soul, some a carry heavy load. Me tell them hold the faith, never lose control. Jah dey a him a take full patrol. Me know say the journey rough and wild, but Jah shine him light pon the little child. Me nah go fear, me nah go hide. Jah dey pon me left and me right hand side. No matter how them try fi test me, Jah bless me, them can't oppress me. Me stand pon the rock so them can't contest me. Chant the holy words, them can't dispossess me. Them plan up a scheme, but Jah crush the dream. Truth and rights are the only regime. We are stepping at the light pon the righteous team. Me say rise up the youths, make them self-esteem. Jah guide me way, me now walk alone. Even in the storm, me heart still strong. Through the trials and the pain, Jah make me stand. Me put me trust in the most high hand. Jah light shine bright in me soul. No matter how the journey unfold, we are march to the promise, never lose control. Zion echoes. Hey, hey, hey. Zion echoes. Them call me rebel, but me stand for the truth. Me fight Babylon from me step out a youth. The fire in me heart, it can't cool down. Me step on the system, me take me crown. Me chant the psalms, me walk with light. Me nah go bow, me ready fi fight. The wicked tremble when the righteous rise. Them spread them lies, but we see them ties. We burn corruption, we chant for love. We lift the people, Jah guide from above. From Kingston Street to the hills afar. The rebel soul, I shine like star. Me a rebel soul, me nah go break. The fire strong, the truth can't shake. Me walk with Jah, me hold me lane. We chant the message, we feel no pain. Them try for silence, them try for stop, but me voice arise. me can't drop. Me see the wicked, them plot and plan, but Jah guide me, me still a stand. The youth them wake, the people know. We chant for change, the seed we sow. Me walk with warriors, me stand up strong. We chant this message all night long. Them can't corrupt, them can't delay. The revolution start today. We fight for freedom, we fight for rights. The rebel soul, I burn so bright. The system shake, the walls fall down. We take the land, we take the crown. The people rise, the spirit high. Me chant for Zion, me reach the sky. Me nah go stop till the mission done. Me chant for the moon, me chant for the sun. Me see the vision, me hold me faith. The wicked run when the warriors wake. From Africa's shores to Caribbean seas, we chant the words, we spread the keys. We tell the youths them stand up tall. Nah bow for the system, nah bow at all. The truth of the power, the knowledge grow. The rebel soul, I make them know. Me nah go change, me nah go fall. The fire burn, the spirit call. Me a rebel soul, me strong.
Me fight for the truth, me nah bow down. Them can't stop we a hold the crown. Revolution, inna the word me speak. The power of the people, the strong not weak. Them want silence we, but we chant it loud. We a rise up strong, we a move the crowd. From the ghetto lane to the highest hill. We chant for justice, we chant for will. The fire burn, the battle long, but we not stop till Babylon gone. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them want we blind, them want we ties. But me know the truth, me stand up tall. We nah go stumble, we nah go fall. We are freedom fighters, stand up strong. Revolution in a song, chant it long. The system a crumble, we break the chain. Babylon fall, righteousness reign. Them lock we up, them lock we down. Them treat we bad, them want we drown. But we have to rise, we have to win. We chant your name, we feel within. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. The poor man cry, but him rise again. We not give up, we not lose faith. The victory close, can't come too late. From Marcus Garvey to the prophet's word, we chant it high, make sure it heard. Them take we land, them take we soul. Them try to control, but we still hold. We know the truth, we know we pass. We know say righteousness always last. The fire burn, we a blaze the trail. We not go fail, we not turn frail. Jah give we the strength, fi rise and lead. We plant the future like righteous seed. Me see the warriors pon the front line. Them ready fi battle, them hold the sign. The elders guide, the youth them learn. The wisdom pass, the fire burn. Them try to stop we, them try to stall. But the people rise, them break the wall. We chant it loud, we make it known. The revolution, a set in stone. Me tell the ghetto youths, don't lose hope. Even when the system want you cope. The future bright, the road might long, but hold the faith, you have to strong. We fight with wisdom, we fight with love. We fight for truth from Jah above. Me say rise up, fight for the way. The system fall, but we can't delay. We there for justice, we there for peace. freedom fighters, we never cease.
Control we, but we break the rope. We chant your name, we live with hope. The system try, fit tie we down, but righteousness are we only crown. From plantation to the modern cell, we break them bars, we break the spell. Me see me people, wake up now, the knowledge rise, we make them bow. No more slave, no more fear. Jah guide, Jah always near. Them sell the people, them sell we name, but we reclaim the rightful flame. We tell them straight, we nah go bend. The chains them gone, the curse it end. No more chains, no more pain. We free the mind, the soul remain. The fire burn, the people rise. We chant your name, we chant it wise. Them try to lock we in a mental state, but knowledge deep, it open gate. Them feed we lies, them sell we fear, but truth are the key, me vision clear. The youth them wise, the youth them learn. The system weak, the tables turn. Me see the struggles, me feel the fight. Me know the dark, me know the light. The warrior strong, them stand up tall. We break the borders, we break the wall. The revolution, the movement grow. The ancient wisdom, the elders show. We now go back, we now go stray. The time for freedom, the time for pray. We stand up tall, we chant the way. Jah light a shine, no more delay. Me see the truth, me see the sign. The wicked try, but them can't confine. We step on the land where ancestors trod. We hold Jah banner, we know we got. Them try to tell we say we can't win, but we know say the victory live within. We lift the elders, we guide the youth. We plant the seeds in a soil of truth. We chant the message, we chant the way. No more chains, we see the day. The past can't hold we, the pain can't bind. We walk with wisdom, we free we mind. Me stand for the truth, me fight Babylon from me step out of youth. The fire in me heart, it can't cool down. Me step on the system, me take my crown. Me chant the psalms, me walk with light. Me nah go bow, me ready fi fight. The wicked tremble when the righteous rise. Them spread them lies, but we see them ties. We burn corruption, we chant for love. We lift the people, Jah guide from above. From Kingston Street to the hills afar. The rebel soul, I shine like star. Me a rebel soul, me nah go break. The fire strong, the truth can't shake. Me walk with Jah, me hold me lane. We chant the message, we feel no pain. Them try to silence, them try to stop, but me voice arise, me can't drop. Me see the wicked, them plot and plan, but Jah guide me, me still a stand. The youth them wake, the people know. We chant for change, the seed we sow. Me walk with warriors, me stand up strong. We chant this message all night long. Them can't corrupt, them can't delay. The revolution start today. We fight for freedom, we fight for right. The rebel soul, a bone so bright. The system shake, the walls fall down. We take the land, we take the crown. The people rise, the spirit high. Me chant for Zion, me reach the sky. Me nah go stop till the mission done. Me chant for the moon, me chant for the sun. Me see the vision, me hold me faith. The wicked run when the warriors wake. From Africa shores to Caribbean seas, we chant the words, we spread the keys. Me tell the youths them stand up tall. Nah bow for the system, nah bow at all. The truth and the power, the knowledge grow. The rebel soul, I make them know. Me nah go change, me nah go fall. The fire burn, the spirit call. Me a rebel soul, me strong, me free. Me chant your name, me destiny. The fight not done, but we have to try. Rebel soul, we never die. Sound system a blaze up the street. From Kingston to Berlin, the fire too sweet. No matter where you dey, feel the rhythm on your feet. Reggae music never fade, still arise like the heat. From the garrison to the hills, youths them a chant. Real warriors never sell out figurants. Them a try silence the truth, but we firm and we strong. From the Congo to Jamaica, hear the rebel song. Me say Babylon I want see the people unite. Them a push propaganda, try dim out the light. But me say knowledge are the key, and we ready fi fight. Fi uplift the youth, make them future bright. Rebel sound system, play the rhythm loud. Truth and rights make the ghetto man proud. Born corruption and follow no crowd. Roots and culture, we a chant it out loud. Them can't stop the fire still burn. The table have to turn, time for you learn. Marcus Garvey words still a echo in the land. Rise up the ghetto youths, time for you overstand. We a talk about justice, we a talk about peace. But them now want that, them prefer the police. Me say love over war, unity increase. One world, one love, make the sufferation cease. Rough times, but we not give up. Rise like the sun when the night can't stop. Freedom is a must, so we chant non-stop. Revolution in a me heart, rebel sound pan the top. Rebel sound system, play the rhythm loud. Truth and rights make the ghetto man proud. Born corruption and follow no crowd. Roots and culture, we a chant it out loud. From the radio station to the sound boy clash. Positive vibes, man, I make the system crash. Me say reggae is the message, more than just cash. Can't buy me soul, can't turn weed to trash. Me see the youths in the street, no hope, no food. Government a rob them, treat them so crude. But me tell them all the faith, Jah guide your mood. Better days are come like a rising flood. So me say turn up the speaker, make the whole world hear. Reggae music is a weapon, now live in a fear. We a chant against the system, real warriors here. Rebel sound system, we a make them aware. the bassline deep. When the drum kick in, you feel it steep. The message real, the energy pure. It touched the heart, the soul, me sure. From Kingston Street to London town, reggae music are the healing sound. Them try to ban it, them try to hide, but reggae music can divide. It born in a struggle, it born in a fight, but still it shine, still bring the light. Me see elders skank, me see young youths dance. The music alive, the music a chance. It bring the people together as one. The rhythm still play, the fire still strong. Reggae music forever, never fade away. Play it in the night, play it in the day. The message of love, the message of peace. Reggae music I can never cease. Me remember Bob, me remember Peter, me remember Garnet, the real truth speaker. Them sing the pain, them sing the joy. Them make the wicked man have to feel coy. Me say, long live the reggae roots. Me step with my drum, me step with my flute. Me see the music, me see the wave. The youths them dance, the elders rave. Reggae music are the people voice. It uplift the soul, it make the choice. No matter the place, no matter the time, reggae music always shine. Them try to stop it, but it rise again. It run through the blood, it run through the vein. From Kingston town to the hills of Spain, reggae music now feel no pain. So me say reggae live, reggae grow. Reggae vibes make the whole world know. Jah bless the music, it can't slow. The fire still burn, the river still flow.
right. Saying it's been a funny from you. On them I know there's nothing right. If Sufan Rex is sweet pulses in brighter thrones on. But the findings of the stars I see of the sun. Read over the purple come for the RASTA. The different it's a rubber does not do less. Jah show. to Ganja furnaces. Definition slow is no corner to ground shade. Leave them by my side. Left you with so light. I'll never lose this, I put not long. Son está como se escrofosta vida Leave them by my side, yeah. Lift you in so light, yeah. I never lose this, that would not long. Son está como se escrofosta vida,